Hello guys and welcome back to another video on Tutorials Guru. Today we're going to be teaching you how to resolve the issue on Spotify where your autoplay option is not working. But before getting started, remember to support our channel, hit the like button, subscribe and turn on your notification bells to get notified every time we post a new video. Without further ado, let's get started. First, go ahead and open Spotify on your mobile. Then tap on the profile icon that appears on the top left corner of your screen. Go ahead to settings and privacy. Now scroll down and you'll see the option of autoplay similar content. Make sure that this switch is toggled on so that your autoplay option on your phone is enabled. However, if it is enabled and the autoplay on your phone is not working, then you might want to force stop this app. For that, simply long press on this application, go to app info, tap on force stop and confirm that you want to force stop by tapping on OK. Now tap on clear data and tap on clear cache. However, if you do not see this option of clear data, you can go to storage under this app and then tap on clear data and tap on clear cache. Confirm that you want to clear cache by tapping on the OK. Now go ahead and see if this issue still resides. If it still resides, you might want to try uninstalling the app and reinstalling again. This will help fix the Spotify's autoplay option not working. I hope this video was useful. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments down below, and thanks for watching.